Hi everyone, my name is Marie and this is Crypto Market Review. I will show you what I see on Monero, on Ripple and so on, what technical situations maybe you should use while trading. I found some interesting level of support, some channels that maybe you use and you earn some money. Please join my channel so I give you some fresh ideas on this market.
Well, let's start our review, and we start with the Monero. Well, last week I showed you a good trading situation for Monero. Let me show you. Here was a trend line from December 27, first point to second point. We put a line, and we see that last week here was a good trading situation to sell near the trend line. Now we sold it. Now we are trading. The price is 271. What should we do now? Here is a range for one hour chart. Well, also I think you can see it on 4-hour chart. Here is a small trend line, tendency line. You can see the tendency line from the yesterday, March 11th, and I think we can try to buy near this tendency line, but with the stop loss under the minimum of the last extremum near the 264 with the target 200 to 284. What is the range? Range to trade 235. The level of resistance is 284. This is our range. Support 235 and resistance 284. Entry points are now, if we see the rebound from the tendency line, with the target 284. If we see that price goes upper, because I'm not sure if we talk to you tomorrow, this will be like the weekly review. If the price goes upper, we see the target 320. If after the break of this tendency line, you can sell Monero with the target 234. So good range for you to trade Monero, and you now have points which you should pay attention to. Let's go to Zcash. Zcash, here is a range that we used to trade. We bought Zcash last week. It was on Friday. Actually, the price yesterday came to this point again. It was the price 248. For this week, we also use this level of support. We buy near 248 with the target 286. You see this range with the level of support 248 and level of resistance 286. That's what you should use for this week. After you see the break of level of resistance, you keep buying Zcash with the target 316. If you see the breakdown level of support, which I wouldn't like to see actually, but if it happens, we can see the price near 217. Yeah, this is a bad scenario for me, but if you see the breakdown of level of support, the 248, then you can sell with the target 217. This is what you should use for this week. Next, Ripple. Here is also a small range on 4-hour chart, I would say. Level of support is 0.7160. Level of resistance is 0.8630. So you buy near the level of support, and the target is level of resistance. If you still didn't buy it last Friday, so you have to find some entry points. One of them is right now, but I'm not sure when you see this video. Check out this tendency line when you see the video. Check out the price on your chart, and keep buying Ripple if the price is still upper of 0.7865. My target for now is 0.8626. We'll see if we reach this. What I don't like for now is the candles with a shadow from the upper part. It shows that here is a resistance. Some seller is sitting here. It's like a zone that price can't go by. Well, we'll see if it will work for us to buy now, and to hope that this resistance zone will be broken as well. Okay, what you use for future week? Those two levels, 0.7150 and 0.8630. I think it will work out very good, and of course we will try to sell near this level of resistance. Next we go to Ethereum. I don't really like to trade it now, but still here is a good support level, 630, and it was on Friday as well, and the target, first one was to 690, second target is 770. I'm not sure if we will reach this target in future couple of days, but for a week I think it's a good target. Now we need to find some entry points, and one of them also is now. But if you don't, if you're not with us right now, so you can try to find a buying point near 690. What you need to open your position to buy this Ethereum Classic, you need to see, let me show you, candles like this. Near the level 690, you need to see good candles with a big shadow on the bottom part. After this, you buy this Ethereum USD, and the target 770. For now, I don't like to sell it, but if we see the breakdown of the tendency line, then you can try to sell to the level of support 690 and level of support 670. Let's go to Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic. Here is this is for our chart, and here is also some range. Let me try. Okay. Of course, we will pay attention to this as well. Well, 1 hour chart, and the range is 17.03, and level of resistance is 20.80. What I don't like in this coin for now is that we have restricted level 18.45, which market can't go by. You see first candle, second candle, third candle, and fourth candle with the equal price 18.45 that the market can't go by. So until we won't break up this level of resistance, it is a little bit scary to buy on this price. I would like to see entry point near 1703, and we need, if we want to buy this coin, we need to see candles like this I showed you right here with a big shadow on the bottom. Then we buy Ethereum Classic. Either way, we see the breakdown of this level 18.45, and then we buy to the level 20.80. Well, also I have BTCEUR. What I don't like, actually I bought it, and the target is 8,155, and the second one is 8,755. I have two targets for this coin. But what I don't like right now is this level of resistance. It's 7,840, 7,820. I think this is a range that market can't go by. So we will see a lower price to buy this BTCEUR again. Where should we buy it? I think that the buying zone will be like 7,500, like this. This is a zone to buy, BTCEUR. Either way, we see the breakdown of the level of resistance, and then we enter it and buy it. So after we pass this zone, we can say that it's safe to buy BTCEUR. Or we go down to 7,500, we see good candles with a shadow on the bottom, and then we buy it, same with the target 8,156. Well, that's it. I think we have like 6 trading scenarios for different kinds that you can use and you can earn money on. I wish you luck.
Thank you very much for staying with me that long, and I hope you liked my video. If you do, please thumbs up and join my channel. See you next week. Bye bye.